Hello, this is John Kvale of JK Financial. Thanks for watching the video. This is your Q3 2013 Capital Market Review. I'm going to cut to the blog post that this goes with, but wanted to also mention we've got some new features that we'll show you, and I'm going to do my darndest to keep this to 2 minutes. So here we go. Thanks. Okay, I've promised us 2 minutes, so we will get going. The first part of this post, our review and quarterly review, monthly review and quarterly review, is a PE chart. When we originally did this, we expected to see a chart that actually looked like we would be in here somewhere, almost the upside down version of this chart. We expected, here's where we are, and here's where we've been over the past 25 years. What we expected to see is way up here. Well, what has happened is over the past 2 decades, we've had some crazy times where the E has fallen out. The price, it makes the multiple skyrocket, and the price also went down, but stayed higher than the E dropped. Our argument would still be that longer term, we also found this chart. Now, we can't substantiate the data. It does come from a good source, but as you get back 100 years or 50 years, the data is just not going to be as accurate. But we still say, and this is saying we're at a 19 multiple. Again, whatever, depending on the data that you're using, makes the multiple higher or lower. We still say we're a bit frothy. This feels high to us. Time will tell, but we're in a slow growth environment. Big news in the middle of September was that the Fed U-turns on taper. We crowed about it. We wrote about it. We were surprised. We almost literally fell out of the chair when they did it. You can see some of the market movements that I put in here as what had happened. Well, maybe the Fed knew a little bit more than we thought, since we're now in the middle of a government shutdown. So it makes this not stop of the taper, which we talk about here, look a lot smarter. What we originally had thought and what's going on now is that maybe because Larry Summers versus Janet Yellen would be the president, the new FOMC president, everyone was leaning towards Yellen, and it looked like everybody was leaning towards Summers. Looked like Yellen was going to get it. That was the issue. Lastly, but not leastly, if you didn't catch it, I had a very flattering article written up in Financial Times, a division of Financial Times, and also picked up by the Wall Street Journal. Very proud moment. Everything was good except the mug shot. That lowered the quality of the article. Just kidding. Anyway, as always, wanted to thank you very much for watching the video, and I kept this to the 2-minute mark. So thank you very much.